Hi friends, I am Rijo. Today we are planning to discuss the topic Microsoft Defender Custom Anti-Malware Exchange Online Protection Policy. So how to we can create our custom anti-malware protection policy. So we will go for what is the learning objective today. We are planning to covering anti-malware protection in EOP and protection settings and 0-hour auto purge for malware and one of the demo. We will go for our learning. What is anti-malware protection in EOP means? Multi-layer security feature designed to detect, block and remove malware from email message traveling into or out of the organization email window. So simple things, your email inbox will be protected from unwanted URL or unwanted email from the So what is the key features of anti-malware protection in EOP? Multi-layer scanning, inbound and outbound protection, automatic quarantine, file type restriction, real-time threat response, and integration with the other filter. So anti-malware policy. So what are the type of anti-malware policies available? First thing, default anti-malware policy. This is automatically enabled and applied to all reception in the organization. Once you purchase for the Office 365 service, default anti-malware policy will be applied for all the your reception. And default anti-malware protection applies to inbound and outbound email, but custom anti-malware policy apply only the inbound email only. So custom anti-malware policy created by administrator to apply specific malware protection setting to subset of user group or domain. So custom anti-malware policy, you will create the policy and you apply for the specific user or group or domain. So that is a custom anti-malware malware policies. Next, preset security policy. We already discussed in the previous section, standard and strict anti-malware policy. Special anti-malware policy associated with the preset security policy. And setting in this policy cannot be modified direct anti-malware once because strict and standard policy you cannot be edit or delete. They are managed through the preset security policy interface. So next we will discuss about the policy protection settings. So once you create the policy, these settings are available in the anti-malware policy. So first you can protection settings. Specific attachment are treated as a malware. So here you can see special enable the common attachment filter. So this is the AAC.apk, .ari, .bat and common 45 other files will be filtered. So what is the condition? Once you find this file, when this file type are founded, it will be reject the message, non-delivery or quarantine. You can select the option quarantine or reject the emails. So once you find this type of attachment and also you can add the additional select files. I will show which is the files. So once you find this filtration with these files, what is the option? Reject the message or NDR report or quarantine the message. So another one is enable the feature of 0-hour auto purge malware recommended. So what is this one? So quarantine malware message that have already been delivered. So next chapter we will discuss for the 0-hour auto purge. Simple things. Once the email will be delivered in your inbox, then laterally Microsoft Threat Intel will be found this email will be harmful. So they will remove or block this email or send it to the quarantine. That is a 0-hour auto purge. So next you can see here quarantine policy, admin only asset policy. So there are different type of policy available, default policy and admin only available policy. And select quarantine policy that apply to the message that are quarantined as a malware. So what's the policy you want to apply for once you found your malware detected for your email. Next we will discuss about the 0-hour auto purge of malware. So here you can see you have the user in your company. So once this email, it's like email have the malware link. Once this email will be delivered in your user inbox. So user inbox email deliver the user inbox. After inbox deliver, so here you can see detect and remove the malicious email after the threat intelligence identify malware is already delivered the email user mailbox. So means once this email will be delivered in the each user, but this email have the malware link or something like this one. So this 0-hour auto purge will be work to remove that delivered inbox email. So that is a 0-hour auto purge. SAP quarantine the message that contain that malware attachment and SAP for malware enabled by the default in the anti-malware policy. So now you understand what is 0-hour auto privilege for the malware. Before you can see the type of the filtering, what's the type files are filtering. Default file type, this is the default policy. If you want to add additional file type, you can select from the additional file types. Next we will go for the demo. So how to we can configure the custom anti-malware policy. So now we reach our Microsoft Defender portal, security.microsoft.com. So after you reach the portal, first you go to the email and collaboration. Then after that policy and rules. Then after that threat policies. Then you can go for the anti-malware policy. So now you can see here default anti-malware policy only enabled, priority is lost. So one of the important things you can see here only for the default anti-malware policy is available here. Once you create the custom policy will be created from the here. But here you can see the priority. The default policy always lowest priority. But once you will enable for the strict and standard preset security policy, where you go in this one preset security policy, previous section we are discussed already. So if you not understand, please go to watch the previous video. I will give in the below description. So standard protection, strict protection, if you apply for one of the user for the standard and strict protection apply, the priority value we before discussed, the strict protection policy will be first coming the your user mailbox. Then after that coming for the standard protection, then after that coming for the our custom anti-malware policy. So if you plan to apply for custom anti-malware policy, one of the important things you will mention that user have no standard protection or strict protection, because the strict protection if available for that user, that policy will be work out first. Then only the custom policy will be coming. That is a top priority for the your that order for the priority. So next we will go for again our third policy when we will create for the anti-malware policy. So how to we can create the anti-malware policy? Just click create. Then here I will type anti-malware. After that just I will go for next. Then here include this user group. You can select or you group or domains. So currently I just go for the one of the user Rijo Joy. Then after that, I will click next. So here you can see the protection settings. So here we want to apply the protection. So here you can see configure the settings of the anti-malware protection setting. Enable the common attachment filter. So what is the common attachment? When you select this one, you can see this is all the file type for the common attachment. So if you want to add the additional, you can give the add here. So I just go for 7-zip. I just add the 7-zip. So next I will go for add RAR. So this additionally I will add. So currently here not available for the 7-zip or RAR. So I just add the 7-zip and addition for RAR also. So previous section we discussed what are the file type will be support for the addition file. So I just add, then I will click that. So once you will add the file type, then when this file type are found, so in your email inbox, this file type will be found. So what you will do? You will have two options: reject the message, non-delivery report, or quarantine. Currently, I just go for the quarantine. So because you needed to, I need to show for the how to this will work. So after that, enable the 0-hour protection. So I just enable. So here you can see there are three policy: default full access policy, admin only access policy, and default full access with the notify. So currently I just go for the admin can only manage the quarantine policy. So I just go for the admin only access. So here you needed to mention the notification how to admin notification. Notify an admin about the undelivered message from the internal center. When the internal center will be sent that message, if the message will not be delivered, then who is the admin email you will get? You will give here. That admin email will be get the email notification. So I just plan to add team at Rijoskill inform. I just copy this one. Then I will put. And also notify admin about the undelivered message from the external. So who is the external will be sending, and also that message is not delivered, also showing you can give the admin email address. So I just go for the same email address I will give. So after that, if you want to give the customization setting, you can give the customization. So how to the email will be sent? Use the customization mail text. So what is from name, from address, subject? So what is the particular? Give your company body and like this. So currently I just don't go with the customization. Customization notification, because once you receive the notification, the email attachment, how to the email will be designed. So I just remove this one. So currently I just go for the default. Then click next. So here you can review your policy name, Anti-Malware 04, and Anti-Malware policy and user where we will apply this policy. Tim at Rijo. Edit setting on custom. What are the file type? Photo type will be filter, and when this file type will be found, quarantine message. Then enable 0, notify admin. All details I will give already. Then after that, just go for the submit. So enable the anti-malware policy, created the anti-malware policy. Just after that, click that. Here you can see anti-malware policy 0405. We already created the anti-malware policy. So now the anti-malware policy is in. So just I will go for another one of the inbox. Then I will try to send one email to at tim at skillinfo.com. I just go for outlook.office.com. Then I will create new email. Then after that, I just go for so anti-malware policy. So here I will create one attached file. So zip for 7 zip files. So I just go for one of my folder, download folder. Then I will create one new folder. Then I will zip this file, compress 7 zip file, and also I will compress for the attached zip file. Then I will check the property. So 7 is it? Answer one property zip file. So just I will check for the zip option. I will open that policy. Then I just go for edit protection settings, select the file. Just I will try zip available. Currently zip is available here. Z zip not available. So just add. So now just I will add the zip also. Then done. Then save. So now I just add this one also zip, because I will only add the RAR file, though I will add additional file type also zip. Then I will go for here. Then I will try to browse download. Just wait. I just make just go for property. This is zip, right? So just copy zip, rename. So you can easily understand. Okay. Then this one I will show more property. Is that zip? Rename. Okay. Sense. Okay. So both file. So I just go for again. Then attach this file. Download. First I will send zip file. Then I will try to send the zip file. Too much 7 zip. Just go for attach. So I will try to send the both emails, two emails. Then I will just go to my inbox. You can see tim@rejo.info.com. Inbox also mailbox. So this is our inbox. So now the inbox will be receive the two undelivered message. So what is that one? The postmaster will be sending anti-malware policy test at sender rejo@rejoskill.com. The time is received. So now you when you send that email, now the your admin will be received, because I will choose this is the admin. That way admin receive the email. This non-delivered reports. You can see here the message create automatic mail delivery software. The message not delivered to the intended reception because malware was detected. Same you will see here also you will receive the both message. So here also the message, because why you will give that notification email, the external message is not delivered. How to you will receive, because this is the admin email you give, that admin will be receive the email. So just waiting for the your explorer. So still not just refresh. So I just post the video, then after that I will come back. So now we again go to the Explorer in the email collaboration. So here you can see blocked to email, see to block. So we just check that what this one block. So here you can see one email 7-zip anti-malware. So this one sender rejo@rejoskill to sender domain rejoskill.com to reception Tim@. So now this message what happened? This message is going to quarantine, and also you can see another mail also anti-malware policy reception team. Then the message also the quarantine. The postmaster previously I show that delivery mail. So now this message will be going to the quarantine. So how to we can check that quarantine message? So just I will go to the review. Then you can just go for the quarantine message. Then here you can see the two email 7-zip anti-malware are the quarantine message. You can see the releasing status need the review. So just I will open that email. You can see the all the information regarding that email. So you can open 7-zip anti-malware received for, and all the details you can be find. I will not give the brief descriptions. So if you can go for here, you can see the attachment 7-zip. For here you can see the primary source blocked by the organization policy. So delivery details, anti-malware policy blocked by filtering type. So file filtering type blocked this email. So just to go for the open email entity, you can get all the information for the your email entity. So here you can see you get the all the information regarding for the your email analysis. So what is the analysis? You can be go for the analysis. So all the information, because it's very deep learning, just to go for, you can see here all the authentication and every information you will get the. If you need to go more, you just copy this header, copy message header. You can go for the mha.assure website for the message header analysis. Just paste here. So then analyze the header. You can get the all the information regarding for the your emails. You can see here all the information for second and every information where to this will be coming. All the information you can go for here, you can get it. So ARC and everything, you will get the all the information you can review from. So I just go for here. Then you can go for timeline, what happened this one, all the similar email, any similar email will be find out. So all the information you will get it. So again I will go for the quarantine. So here you can see the email have the option. So you can delete the email, or either you can be release the email. You can see the view the message header, submit review, allow sender, block the sender. You can block that sender. Just who is the sender? You can block from here. You just click this one and just go for the block the sender. You can block that sender, and you can release that email if you need. So I just try to release. release to all the send copy message to the submit the message to the Microsoft. Just release to all the receptions. So just I will release. So now the email has a release to the instance. Just click it. Then after that I will just refresh. So here the release status change to release because that email I will release already. Then you just go for inbox, just refresh. You can see that email will be delivered 7-zip anti-malware because I will review that email, then I will release. So now you understand how to do that one. So now you understand how to you can make the custom anti-malware policy. So how to review your anti-malware policy from the email. So what is attachment, where the attachment will, you can go for here, you can review for the each and everything. So now I wind up my topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.